Welcome to alternativetherapyclinic.net. Today's topic is Ayurvedic oil pulling. It is one of the best way in Ayurveda to detoxify your body. It is the same way you do the mouth wash. Oil pulling ages some thousands of years back originated in India. It is a process or treatment in which detoxification and cleaning of teeth and gums takes place. The idea behind Ayurvedic oil pulling is that the natural substance, especially the oil, is swished or held in the mouth for some time. We generally recommend sesame oil. Oil pulling improves your oral health by getting rid of the harmful bacteria in the mouth. It also helps in oral detoxification and cleaning, whitening of teeth, curing many diseases like arthritis, asthma, infections and skin problems, liver and stomach problems, headache or migraine and throat infections. Just by oil pulling, you are stimulating the nerves on the face, which are helpful in curing so many diseases. The list of benefits associated with therapy is too long. The oil which you use, we generally recommend sesame oil, but the oil should be of high quality. You can also use edible coconut oil. Now, what is the procedure? When you get up from your bed early in the morning, do this before eating or drinking anything, even before brushing. Edible oils like sesame, olive or coconut oil can be used for oil pulling. Take 1 or 2 teaspoons of the oil into the mouth. If the oil has become frozen, let it be melt in your mouth first. Swishing the oil. Now swish your mouth with this oil for around 20 minutes. Start with minimum 5 minutes. Let the oil go back and forth in between all your teeth and then throughout the gums for effective cleaning. Be cautious about the timing. Try to make it around 15 to 20 minutes. You can start with 5 minutes, but if it is possible, make it 15 to 20 minutes. Till when you are swishing the oil in the mouth, make sure that when the oil gets thin, white, milky, it is time to spit it. Do not gargle with this oil, as you may swallow the toxin oil back into your body. Just spit it out. After completion, rinse your mouth well with warm water or remove any leftover oil. Even gargle and spit it out again. You can also use a tongue cleaner for effective cleaning to remove the oil coating. Now you can brush your teeth. You can also use mouthwash at the end if you want. Repeat this procedure every day and continue this for around 1 month to mark the significant benefit. There are many benefits of pulling oil. It reduces bacteria. It helps you even in gingivitis and periodontal diseases. It reduces dental cavities. It stimulates the lymphatic system and removes the toxin from the vital organs. It helps in whitening of the teeth. It also helps in get clearer skin as blood becomes cleaner without any toxin. Your digestion is improved and many stomach and digestive problems are also resolved. This was Dr. Kaushik, alternativetherapyclinic.net.